To set up Do Not Disturb mode in Google Pixel, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter modes right here, and then we can go for Do Not Disturb mode. Inside, first of all, you'll be able to activate Do Not Disturb mode or deactivate it with this switch, and then we can adjust the rest of the settings. So we have notification filters. Those three options basically allow you to modify which things will be able to interrupt you when Do Not Disturb mode is active. So you can go for people and then select specific messages like start contacts, priority conversation, and etc. That will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. And the same thing goes for the calls. Only exception here is allowed repeated callers. So if you activate this option and somebody tries to call you 2 times in a span of 15 minutes, the second call will go through if it's active, of course. Then if we go back, we can also select a specific apps that will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. So in this case, it's selected to Google Play services, but you can go for any apps that you like or deactivate them with none. Then we have the alarms and other interruptions. So here we have, as I said, the alarms. We can also activate or deactivate media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar events as well. Then on the bottom there's more settings. You can change display options for Do Not Disturb mode, display options for filtered notifications. You can change behavior for when the screen is off to do not turn screen back on. Don't wake your screen for notifications as well. When the screen is on, you can hide notification dots on the app icons, hide status bar icons at the top of the screen, don't pop notifications on screen, and hide from pull down shade as well. Then we have a grayscale. When you activate this, your phone will turn to black and white colors when the Do Not Disturb mode is active. Then there's keeps the screen dark, which will enable or disable the dark theme. We can have dim the wallpaper, and then so here we have enable dark theme. So this allows you to switch the device theme to use a dark background. So here I have the light one, but when we activate Do Not Disturb mode, it will change to dark background. So this option, the keep the screen dark, disable always on display. What it means is it will deactivate always on display, which is active after you lock your screen, usually if you have always on display, of course, active. So when this option is enabled with Do Not Disturb mode, it will disable always on display. Then there's duration for quick settings. So if you activate any of the quick settings, activate Do Not Disturb mode through quick settings, you can turn it on until you turn it off manually, turn it for 1 hour, or you can go for ask every time, which means when you click on Do Not Disturb mode right here in the quick settings, it will ask you every time whether you want to activate it for some time or until you turn it off manually. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.